Hi boys and girls, I hope you had a great Thursday. For tonight's read aloud, we're going to be reading a Pete the Cat book. It is Pete the Cat Play Ball and it's written by James Dean. Here comes Pete the Cat. Pete has a mitt. He has a bat and a ball. What will Pete do today? Pete will play baseball. Today is the big game. The Rocks are playing the roles. Pete and his team get set. They play catch. They take turns hitting. It's time to play ball. The Rocks bat at first. Pete waits for his turn. Crack! The batter hits the ball. He runs to first base. Way to go, Pete cheers. Batter up, says the umpire. Pete goes up to bat. The pitcher throws the ball. Pete swings the bat. He misses the ball. Strike one. The pitcher pitches again. Pete swings too high this time. Strike two. The pitcher winds up. He throws. Pete strikes out. So as we know, for those of us that haven't played baseball, maybe we don't know, if you strike out, it means you get 3 strikes where you don't hit the ball and then you're out. But Pete is not sad. He did his best. Pete's friend Ben is up. Ben hits a home run. Way to go, cheers Pete. The Rolls go up to bat. The Rocks go out to the field. Crack! Here comes a fly ball. I've got it, calls Pete. Think Pete's gonna catch it? The ball hits his mitt, but Pete drops it. He doesn't get sad. He knows he did his best. I'll give you a little hint. If you catch a ball with your mitt, you always want to put the other hand over it to keep it in your mitt. Another hit. This time, Pete catches it, but he throws it too far. Pete's up to bat again. He wants to hit the ball. The first pitch is too low. Pete does not swing. Ball 1. The next pitch is too high. Pete does not swing. Ball 2. So do you know how many balls it takes to walk in baseball? It takes 4 balls. The third pitch is inside. The fourth pitch is outside. Pete gets 4 balls, so that means he gets to walk. Pete wanted to get a hit, but a walk is cool too. So getting to walk means you get to walk to first base and they can't get you out until the next play. The next batter gets a hit. Pete runs as fast as he can. Pete wants to score, but he's out at home plate. Pete's not sad. He did his best. Pete seems like a really good sport. The game is over. The Rocks win 6-3. Way to go, calls Pete. Good game, the Rocks say. Good game, the Rolls say. Pete did his best. He had fun. What a great game. So that was Pete the Cat Play Ball, and it was written by James Dean. I hope you enjoyed it. I know we are missing watching real baseball, so I was thinking that you might enjoy being able to read another Pete the Cat book. So I hope you had a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Make sure, if you haven't yet, make sure you tune in to my YouTube channel so that you are able to see all the different stories that we are reading. I'm reading one each day, and I'm recording them onto YouTube so that you can watch them over and over again, and so you can get on them on your tablet without your family member needing to get onto Facebook first. So make sure you're tuning in to that YouTube channel. I'll see you later. Have a good night. I miss you. Mwah. Bye-bye.